Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we are here to learn more about Oracle Hospitality's Opera 5 property management solution. My name is Caroline, and together with Glenda, we will highlight in this session some of the features and functionalities that are available to you today in our latest version of Opera 5 and how Opera can benefit your operations. But at first, Glenda, for those who may not know yet, what is the Opera 5 property management solution?
Well, Oracle Hospitality Opera 5 is a full-featured PMS that enables our customers to deliver world-class guest service and increase operational efficiency throughout the system. Thousands of hotels around the world use Opera to help ensure an outstanding guest experience for each and every customer and to enable their staff with powerful tools, services, and capabilities. It's designed to offer the flexibility to suit hotels of all types and sizes, and it's the right fit for all properties from independent hotels to major international resorts. Opera 5 Property is the proven PMS for hotels, making it the most widely adopted property management system in the industry. So let us walk you through some of the features and functionalities of Opera 5 that can help your hotel operations. Let's start with dashboards. The reservation dashboard screen provides a single view of all the necessary data and functionality. From this one screen, the user can handle activities such as managing reservations, processing guest check-ins and checkouts, assigning rooms, managing guest billing, and so much more. There are 3 dashboard layouts available. Hotels can take advantage of defining that screen as their login screen. For a front desk agent or a reservation agent, this functionality would make their job easier, providing a single view or central location to access all the functions that are commonly used in their job roles.
Exactly, and talking about making the reservation entry easier and faster, hotel can activate the auto-attach elements application setting. This allows to define certain elements like specials, packages, item inventories, and traces that can be automatically attached to the reservation. For example, one of the perks to being a platinum or diamond member in your loyalty program is to have free breakfast during the stay. With this feature, Opera will automate the process and attach the complimentary breakfast package to the reservation. This will save users time and ensures that the guests are getting the benefits and service they deserve.
Well, then we have the transaction diversion. It's a process whereby postings against selected transaction codes can be automatically diverted to a pseudo room based on the membership type and level, or the VIP level associated with the reservation. This feature is handy when resort fees are differentiated according to their membership levels. For example, your property charges a resort fee on every reservation. However, a perk of being a platinum or diamond member is that resort fees are included with the room. So how do we make sure that our highest level members are not charged a resort fee nightly? Well, with this feature, users can configure the transaction code for the resort fee to automatically transfer to a pseudo account, saving the user time, creating the reservation, and ensuring that the member does not get charged the resort fee. At the same time, this allows for the hotel to track how many transactions were diverted.
To prepare for the arrival of the day, your front desk staff must pre-block rooms. With the enhanced room assignment feature, Opera will automatically assign the best room for each of your guests. When used, front desk operations can perform an automated and intuitive assignment of rooms during pre-arrival planning or at the time of arrival. Opera will use the preferences on the reservation along with the ratings defined in the setup to ensure that the best room is assigned to the guest.
Well, with the welcome offers, you can set up conditions to treat your special guest with a gift at check-in. As the condition is user definable, you can decide what is a special guest for your hotel. So how does it work? You may want to reward your gold and platinum VIPs with an item from your sundry shop, such as a beverage or a snack. Using the welcome offer functionality, a prompt will appear during the check-in process when a reservation meets the set criteria. Not only will your guests feel appreciated for their loyalty, but imagine how this can help with increasing those guest satisfaction scores. There's nothing better than an unexpected welcome gift to start your guest stay in the best possible way.
As assigning the rooms for the guest, on the Exchange Reallocate Room screen, a user can exchange rooms between two reservations, as well as shift room between two reservations where one is blocked and the other is not. This feature is useful to optimize your occupancy or on the day of arrival when you have that unexpected early check-in and all of the vacant rooms ready have been pre-blocked. Well, by clicking the Reallocate button, the receptionist can easily exchange the room with another room that is ready and was assigned to another guest. This saves the hassle of having to find a similar room and assign the rooms and reassign the rooms. The click of a button, Opera will do all that for you.
Did you know that you can ensure that your rates will never fall below or go beyond a certain price? The rate is a key component of a hotel's average daily rate and revenue per available room, ultimately affecting your bottom line. To ensure that your ADR and RevPAR don't fall below a certain rate, hotels can use the minimum and maximum rates allowed feature. This feature allows for hotels to set minimum and maximum rate thresholds so that the hotel's ADR and RevPAR is not compromised. This feature also extends to external systems where inbound messages that contain rate values below or above the configured minimum and maximum rates allowed, Opera will ignore those values. So if you use an external system today that manages the rates, Opera will ensure that your rates will stay within a certain threshold.
And what about date types? It is a functionality which is kind of oldie but goodie feature. Day types can be configured to modify rates to be either increased or decreased on specific days, depending on the forecasted occupancy. Applying the day type on the calendar, rates are temporarily modified for that day by a percentage or an additional amount. This feature is particularly useful when rates have already been configured for the year and you want to modify them across the board. For example, your rates are constant throughout the year and you already have defined them. However, there is a last-minute announcement of a citywide celebration that will bring in lots of travelers into the city, many of whom will need a hotel accommodation. Due to this sudden increase in demand, you would certainly want to maximize your revenue for this particular time. However, you would rather not go through the exercise of modifying each of your rates. With Opera, you can easily create a new day type that will increase all the rates at the same time and at one time. This removes the need of having to increase each rate individually, which would have been time-consuming, cumbersome, and worse, prone to errors.
The service request feature enables associates to manage, record, track, indicate reconciliation measures, and report on service incidents encountered by their guests. When a new incident is logged, it can be linked to the room number, reservation, and guest profile. Service request configuration will offer categories to classify service incidents. Reports will be generated to help alert the hotel to address service incidents in a timely manner. When there is an open service request, users will be aware of it from the main Opera screens, assisting in driving resolution in a more efficient manner. This functionality will help the property track issues on a room number level, reservation level, and guest profile level. This is particularly useful when a guest is asking for more towels or for an electrical adapter. Users can enter the request with the guest room number, enter the priority, and the department it is assigned to. This enables the hotel to provide the service in a timely manner, which increases guest satisfaction.
And lastly, have you already heard about Hotel Mobile application? Oracle Hospitality Opera 5 Hotel Mobile makes property borderless, allowing staff to roam freely to deliver exceptional service anywhere, anytime. The new mobility front-end solution shifts a range of core functions such as check-in, housekeeping, and maintenance to mobile devices that staff member can use on the go. Imagine the wide capabilities it offers you. If you've got that long line in the lobby, your front office agent can step away from the desk and provide mobile check-in on a tablet. This delivers additional customer care and increases guest satisfaction when the check-in process is streamlined.
Thank you for your time today. I hope you have found this session helpful. Since the last 20 years, Opera has continuously accompanied you in innovating and adapting to help you grow and provide your guests amazing and personalized experiences. If you require more information, please visit us at oracle.com. Thank you.
Thank you.